Starting a nonprofit can be one of the most fulfilling things you do, but getting it set up legally, that's where it gets tricky. Between tax exemption, state compliance, and structuring your board, there's a lot that can go wrong if you try to DIY everything. LegalZoom offers a service specifically designed to walk you through the process of starting a nonprofit organization, making it easier and faster to get your mission off the ground. The process with LegalZoom starts by guiding you through choosing your nonprofit's name and ensuring it's available in your state. From there, they help you prepare and file your articles of incorporation, which is a legal document needed to officially register your nonprofit with the state. LegalZoom will also help you draft your bylaws, which are essential for outlining how your organization will be governed. One of the biggest benefits is their help with the IRS Form 1023 or 1023EZ, the complicated paperwork required to apply for federal 501c tax exempt status. They will make sure everything's filled out properly and submitted correctly so you can focus on your cause, not red tape. Throughout the process, LegalZoom's customer service and legal assistance options can be really helpful in clarifying anything that's confusing. While their services do come at a cost higher than doing it completely yourself, you get the advantage of speed, simplicity, and confidence that the work is done right. If you're serious about starting a nonprofit and want a smooth, structured path to becoming a recognized 501c, LegalZoom is a reliable option. Visit their site and explore the nonprofit formation service to see how quickly you can turn your idea into a legal organization.